around the world. My name is Wayne Changdoma. I am 6 years old and I live in Australia. Last year in September, I met His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama in India. Having the opportunity to meet such being is an extremely lucky moment not many people experience in their entire lives. In Tibet, meeting His Holiness is one of the most difficult things to be able to experience. But to be able to meet Him in person and getting His blessing touch, I think myself as a very, very lucky young girl. Getting a kiss or a hug from older people is very common, not only in the Tibetan culture, but across the whole world. Just like parents kissing their children or hugging, receiving kisses and hugs from older people is a common thing in the Tibetan culture. In February this year, a young boy went to meet His Holiness, and now His Holiness is being accused of harassment towards the boy. I could not believe such comments were made against His Holiness. I think the boy is very lucky, and the boy himself felt that way. Afterwards, he and his family were blessed to meet His Holiness. The act of sticking out a tongue is an old Tibetan tradition that shows a kind or respectful greeting. His Holiness is full of compassion, kindness, and joy. Misunderstanding such situation and making bad comments on the media is not tolerable, and I think that it is a disgrace that some people in this world have the confidence to call the spiritual leader of Tibet discussing and inappropriate names and spread lies across the media. Everyone needs to understand that His Holiness is a person that treats everyone this world the same, no matter the status of the person. His Holiness is globally recognized as a peacemaker, and he has spent his whole life spreading positivity. Let's keep on loving each other and unite as one. I love His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama with all my heart, and I'll always stand with him. Long live the 87-year-old His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama Tenzin Gyatso. Thank you, everyone.